Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to block people from seeing your Facebook story. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we post content like this, and to get notified for our future video be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, open your Facebook first, and as you guys can see over here, you can see create a story. Right click on create a story, and let's create a story first. So let me say I want to post this on my story, so I'm going to click on this photo, and as you guys can see below, there's a privacy button over there. You can click on privacy, and then once this opens up, you can see hide story from, right, which is right below friends. You can click on hide story from and enter the name of the person over here whom you want to block from seeing this story. So I don't want him to see my story, so I'm gonna tick on the box and then go back and go back again, and it's updating over here. Now once I post the story, he won't be able to see my story. So yeah, that's pretty much how you block people from seeing your story in Facebook. So I'm just gonna put it in share to story just to make sure. Okay, and my story is being added right now. So once my story is added, everyone can view it except the one box which I ticked, which was of Avinav, so he won't be able to see it. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.